Top 7 benefits of sunflower lecithin. Sunflower lecithin, a natural ingredient with powerful health benefits. It balances fat levels in the blood, helping to protect your heart. Rich in choline, it helps rebuild bone tissue and protect joints. It protects the intestinal lining, making digestion easier and more comfortable. Phospholipids in sunflower lecithin may reduce stress and improve brain function. With natural emollient properties, it hydrates skin, reduces irritation, and soothes eczema. Linoleic acid in lecithin helps break down excess lipids, improving blood pressure levels. It reduces excess fat in the bloodstream, supporting healthy liver performance. From heart and brain to skin and digestion, sunflower lecithin is a natural way to support overall wellness. Follow Amitex for more health-driven ingredient insights.